Neet 2018 chemistry question. The question is a mixture of 2.3 gram of formic acid and 4.5 gram of oxalic acid is treated with consulfuric acid. Now we will take this formic acid. Formic acid formula HCOOH. It is treated with consulfuric acid. It is treated with consulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent, so it removes water molecule from formic acid. So water molecule is removed from this. After the removal of water from formic acid, what is the rest? What is the rest in this? Carbon monoxide. Then we will see oxalic acid with consulfuric acid. Oxalic acid formula H2C2O4. This is treated with consulfuric acid, which act as a dehydrating agent. Oxalic acid we can write as C11O OH, single bond C11O OH. Since it is a dehydrating agent, let us round off water molecule from here, which we will write here. Then this bond let us break. This part is carbon dioxide and this part is carbon monoxide. So and so products obtained. This formic acid given is 2.3 gram. Formic acid given is 2.3 gram. Let us convert this 2.3 gram into moles, for which divide this by molecular mass. Its molecular mass 46. So it comes as 1 by 20 moles. So initial number of moles of formic acid is this much. How much will react? How much formic acid reacts in the sense they did not mention about anything regarding how much it reacts. So we will take as complete reaction. So formic acid reacts completely. 1 by 20 moles it reacts. So remaining amount of formic acid is nothing. Carbon monoxide is producing here, which is a gas. Water we need not consider because it is a liquid. Okay. Now 1 mole of formic acid on reaction gives 1 mole of carbon monoxide. How much formic acid reacts in the sense 1 by 20 moles. 1 by 20 moles of formic acid on reaction gives how many moles of carbon monoxide? Okay, 1 by 20 moles of carbon monoxide. Now we will see about oxalic acid. Oxalic acid, what weight is given, you see? How much? Okay, 4.5 gram. Oxalic acid given is 4.5 gram. Let us convert these grams into moles, for which let us divide it by its molecular mass. Molecular mass is 90. So which gives so and so moles of oxalic acid. So oxalic acid initial number of moles is given. How much oxalic acid reacting? For which see the question. In the question anything about how much react is it given? Nothing. Therefore we have to consider it reacts completely. So 1 by 20 moles of oxalic acid is remaining. Oxalic acid is reacting, remaining is 0. Now carbon dioxide produced, carbon monoxide produced, water is liquid, so we need not consider. Let us consider these two gases only. Because why? Because they are asking about regarding gas only. The evolved gaseous mixture. Next, 1 mole of oxalic acid gives 1 mole of carbon dioxide and 1 mole of carbon monoxide. How much oxalic acid is reacting? You see, 1 by 20 moles of oxalic acid is reacting. So how much carbon dioxide will be formed? Okay, 1 by 20 moles of carbon dioxide is formed. Carbon monoxide how much is forming? 1 by 20 moles of carbon monoxide forms. Okay. Next, let us continue the question. The evolved gaseous mixture is passed through potassium hydroxide pellets. Okay. Let us take evolved gaseous mixture. Evolved gaseous mixture we are taking. This evolved gaseous mixture contains what in the sense? One is carbon monoxide, that is 1 by 20 moles. Next, this carbon monoxide, which is another 1 by 20 moles. Next, carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is 1 by 20 moles. Carbon dioxide gas is 1 by 20 moles. We need not take water. The evolved gaseous mixture is passed through potassium hydroxide pellets. Potassium hydroxide absorbs absorbs carbon dioxide gas. It is not absorbing carbon monoxide. Why? Because potassium hydroxide is a base, carbon dioxide is acidic oxide. So potassium hydroxide absorbs carbon dioxide, so neutralization takes place. It is not absorbing carbon monoxide. So between potassium hydroxide and carbon monoxide, there is no reaction under normal condition. Okay. Now, what is the resultant? What is the resultant in the sense, or what is the remaining product? What is the remaining product? Now we will see. What is the remaining product in the sense? Carbon monoxide, which is not absorbed by potassium hydroxide. Carbon monoxide, how many moles are there in the sense? This much moles are there. So carbon monoxide 2 into 1 by 20 moles present. What is the question? What they are asking, you see? Here at last see weight in grams of the remaining product at STP will be. So weight they are asking. They are asking about weight. So mass of carbon monoxide. Mass of carbon monoxide is equal to number of moles of carbon monoxide into gram molecular mass of carbon monoxide. Now let us substitute number of moles of carbon monoxide, that is this much number of moles of carbon monoxide we are substituting from here. Then gram molecular mass of carbon monoxide we will substitute, so it gives 2.8 gram. Now number of moles of carbon monoxide, unit is mole, gram molecular mass unit is gram per mole. So mole is getting cancelled, left unit is gram, 2.8 gram. So answer for this question is D option, that is 2.8 gram. Next, in this question, weight in grams of the remaining product at STP. STP given. STP in the sense standard temperature and pressure. What they are asking? They are asking mass. What we are getting here? Moles. Converting moles into mass, we need not require any STP condition. STP condition not required, so it is a extra data. It is this is the answer for this question. It is completed.